Yo, check it. Yo, shit can happen like it did 12. It's only proving a roof. Bitch, you can freestyle like Eminem, but we still missing proof. And you tell me, and you take check it, Eminem proof. And you tell me this is what sound? Boy, that's not true. Cause I'm a man, the slash, I know from any pussy, will let me crew. And if you fake American bedless, get the clips as soon as USA. Cause the bitch, I think you're easy laughing and I'm saying there's no DNA. Cause we rap for God. Yo, check it. Cause we rap for God like a dance, but we really like for on your page. Cause this now you can't, you saw us in it and the bitch and then see the stage. Yo, Now you see, this guy's doing a gazo. Tina Snazo, but when I hear the gangster, now the channels, this guy has had the sex, no sister Mazo. Nigga, what penetrations are going on once. They go figure chose what police class. Then what did I can't believe no Marco man is still so 20 yoga for 9 months. Cause you're the bitch-ass nigga. And that became, who can not survive or straight, who's your 20 friends are fake, as everything else is a column time, who got his successful first thing get played. So fuck mapadi wako nenda sianza na ngoro hambo mnajefana ni sawa masako so it was believe I get humble. Now what the fuck is power guns? Now I got seen I don't say from Tagati since his name is Guns I sure wasn't telling around the party. And that niggas are sorry for the rematch I was feeling I killed that fair on post prover is not dope or kumuzo sasetu another deep cause I pussy and call on the internet. So he's dead. So